guys, welcome to another survival sampler review. And this one, it's going to be Muskoka Moonlight Kettle. At first glance, it kind of catches you off guard, because it says right on it, raspberry cocoa late. And if you know French at all, it means chocolate milk, maybe? So anyway, I'm kind of really excited to try this one out, because it is a stout. Stout is like my favorite kind of beer. So let's jump right into it, right now. Alright. Oh yes. It smells great. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Now if you're unfamiliar, a stout is it's a very dark beer. It normally has hints of chocolate. Yes. Wow. Super excited. That is a delicious beer. Wow. Yeah, I do taste subtle hints of chocolate. Can't say much for the raspberry though, but it's quite good. It's pretty good cocoa late. I notice it doesn't have much of a head on it, and not nearly as thick as Guinness. Guinness is a world-renowned stout, as I'm sure most of you already know. And Guinness is my second favorite beer. Love Guinness. Actually, I think this is like my third favorite beer. It's really good. That's a good stout. Here's a close-up of the trippy can. And a close-up of the beer you cannot see through for the life of you. It would pair very nicely with whatever the hell you wanted it to pair with. It's so good. Oh yeah. I rate this beer 9 out of 10. If you're wondering about my rating system, it's all quite arbitrary and not based on merit or anything at all. It's just based on what I prefer, my taste. And number 1 would be a cold shot, being the worst. And number 10 would be a Kilkenny Irish Cream Ale, my favorite beer. This is a 9. This is on par, maybe a little less than Guinness. Whoa. Now I'm getting the raspberry. The raspberry is quite nice. And it's not malty at all. Not malty in the least. It's smooth. It's so smooth. Oh my god. I wish I could buy more of this here. But the only way to get this is to get the sampler. And I can't go through 2 IPAs. Sorry. What else is there to say? Wow. Go out and buy that beer. I'm not even sponsored by Muskoka, but go out and buy that beer. It's a lovely beer. If you live in Ontario, you need to buy that beer. Buy that beer, send it to me. Alright, give this video a like, give it a little thumbs up at the bottom there. Leave a little comment, what Muskoka brew is your favorite, if you do have a favorite. What non-Muskoka brew is your favorite? I don't care, I want to hear more suggestions. And before I leave, please give this video a share. Sharing my videos really help my channel. Until next time, I'm just Brent. See ya.